Hi, good afternoon. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Caroline G. Pedlamore. I am 34 years old and I have 3 kids, and my eldest is 17 years old and my second is 11 years old and my youngest is 7 years old.
Are you single or married?
I am single with a living partner.
And what is your education?
I am high school graduate.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
Only one brother.
Can you please tell me about your working experience?
My working experience is I serve with one couple with a newborn baby and 1 and 3 years old, and I do all household choices like cleaning, washing, and take care of her baby.
Okay, are you willing to take care of a newborn baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
What if the baby is crying? What will you do?
First, I will check it diaper first, and I will change it, and I will check the temperature.
Do you know how to shower a baby?
Yes, ma'am. First, I will prepare the towel and the soup. I will prepare the mouth, eyes, ears, not to spill the water.
Okay, what if the baby or the children is very naughty and not listening to you? What will you do?
I will encourage them to play by singing a song, and count the numbers 1 to 3 and alphabet, and I will greet patient of them.
Why do you want to come to Hong Kong, and who will take care of your children?
I want to go to Hong Kong to earn money and to support my family financially.
Okay, who will take care of your children?
And my mother and living partner.
Okay, in Hong Kong, what will you do if the baby is sick?
I will take the temperature of I will check the temperature, and I will put the cold fever on his head, and I will tell the parents to go to the hospital for checkup.
Okay, how about if you have homesick? What will you do?
I will enjoy my work and be busy. I will treat my employer as my family.
Okay, could you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. I have 2 hands, the left and the right, holding up high to clean and bright. Clap them sweetly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
Okay, thank you. Are you scared dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Any food doesn't eat? Are you allergic to any food?
No, ma'am.
What food can you cook?
I can cook the food, native food and Filipino food.
Are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you accept no day off but will be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you accept take care of the person as his other needs?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise to cut hair short before you come to Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No, ma'am.
Can you promise not hair coloring and nail art?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer?
My future employer, please hire me. I am honest, cheerful, grateful, hardworking person. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you.